In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here you need to click on New Version. Tap on it 7 times. And as you can see now, you are a developer. So let's go back. Now enroll additional settings, and here you will notice developer options. Smoothly click to open, and now you can use all the features, all the operations that are here can be performed and used by you. And to apply any of those, just tap on the switcher, and now it is active. Then to turn it off, just unmark it. Whenever you would like to turn developer mode off, just unmark this switcher, and as you can see, it is no longer active, and it will also disappear, or maybe not. Let me go back and open additional settings again. Okay, so it will also disappear from additional settings panel. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.